Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can add friend on WeChat. Well, adding friend in WeChat is just a piece of cake if you know the WeChat ID or the phone number of the person you are trying to add. So once you have got the WeChat ID or the phone number of the person in place, here's how you can do it. Just launch your WeChat and also make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, the process is pretty simple. On the bottom section, you can see contacts. Let's select it. Now, you can either go by this plus sign at the top right here or click on this new friends. So again, add contacts. So in here, in the search bar, just enter the account ID or the phone number of the person that you're trying to add. Let's say I want to add this person. All right, search. And here is the result of your search. Now click on add to contacts. So after you have filled in these fields, sending friend request message, setting alias for your name and other description, then you can click on this send button at the bottom. So successfully sent. A friend request has been sent to the ID of this WeChat person. Similarly, you can follow the same process but by entering the phone number right in this search bar. Now you know how to add friend in WeChat. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding friend on WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.